version. So today I'm going to show you how you can increase your PHP version. Once you go to your cpanel, this is my cpanel dashboard. Now what you just have to do is just scroll down, actually 2 to 3 ways to increase your PHP version. Now the first way is just going to PHP, clicking on select PHP version. But in this video I'm not here to show you this part, but I'm here to show you the other part, which is clicking on multi PHP manager. This would enable you to share the PHP. Let's say you create a subdomain, you have a subdomain, you can assign a particular PHP version to a particular subdomain. So here's what you're going to do. Now I've created a subdomain for the sake of this tutorial, which is wallet.nail something. Now you can see over here. So what I just did was, before it was 7.4 here also by default. So what I just did was I clicked on the subdomain. So I just came over to this place and I selected the PHP version I wanted to use. So as you can see over here, this is what you can do. So you can change it to 7.3. Then once you click apply, note this particular place. If you notice this place, you see that this place is going to change 7.3. So now I can also do that for my main domain. Just come over to this place and I also just change it to 8.1 if I want to, but I'm not going to do that. But basically, this is how you can change your PHP version. This is how you can change your PHP version. Now this is by default. This is by default. So if you create another subdomain, just the same thing. Just come over to this place. This is the best way for you to do that. Just come over to this place and you see 7.0 and you click apply for 7.1. So I'm going to change back to 7.1. I take note. Make sure you click on the particular domain you want to change. So now I'm just come over to PHP version 7.1 and click apply. Now once you click apply, it's going to show. It's going to change actually to this particular stuff. So that is how to change your PHP version and also change your subdomain PHP version. If you have any question, please don't forget to drop in the comment section, and if you want me to review your website, feel free to let me know. And also please also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, and like the videos. If you like any of the videos, just it's going to help me and going to help me to know the kind of videos you want, so I would create them for you. And also thank you all my subscribers. And also I'm working on another video which is going to help you with your WordPress, and I'm going to drop the link in the description so you can join my Telegram group chat where you get access to WordPress theme and plugins.